Hello. Yeah. Hi guys. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Let me share. Okay. So hi guys. Just open the link and join uh, day two of penetration testing internship. Hi. Hello, Shita. Hello, Vyom. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, guys. Uh, Hi. Okay. Hi, Rohit. What about you? Are you guys fine? Okay. So, guys, this is day two of penetration tester internship. Okay. So we have to start, or yes, sir. Today I get bounty. Whatever is broken. Link hijacking. Okay. Okay. You get the bounty. Bounty. Muhammad. Okay. Shamil. Okay. So you get the bounty. Okay. So congrats. Okay. But shoot install. Okay. That's good. Doing great. Okay. Just started the life. Okay. Okay. So just let's recall yesterday's session. Okay. Then we will just go forward. So just we will take a quick recap of day one, what we have discussed. And if you have any doubt, like just type yes if everything is clear to you guys. Okay. First thing was understanding the cybersecurity lab environment. You guys are aware about this, like what is the lab environment and what tools are used in cybersecurity and etc. Installing and setup of Linux. Did you face any issues in installing and setting up of Linux? Okay. Introduction to Linux terminal. Linux terminal is clear. Okay. I Can you just type your name, Bounty guys? Because I cannot read the name. Your Yeah, Hanamika, and yeah, okay. Yeah, Muhammad Musomil. Okay, okay. So congrats. So say congrats to Mushamil because he got $200 bounty for a broken link hijacking. Just say congrats. Okay, hacker one. Okay. After the class, just share your LinkedIn profile in which you have just posted a bounty in the group. So everyone just let it about your bounty. Okay. So hope you have just everything covered, like introduction to reconnaissance, information gathering, practical demonstration of Google Docking. Everything is clear. We gave an assignment to you guys to just complete some Google Docking and installing Bubshoot. Also setup of calendars. Have everyone completed that task? Everyone completed the assignments. Just type yes if you have completed. Okay. So just move with the second day. Okay. So first thing, first slide, we will just go to which first slide. Cybersecurity lab. And I think it's my fault that I just use this slide in the place of recap. So this is the recap. Okay. Sorry for this, guys. Okay. So quick recap is what is cybersecurity, what is vulnerability, what is pen testing, and what is reconnaissance. Everything is clear. Okay. So we will just understand the cybersecurity lab environment. So the thing is that a cybersecurity lab is a safe and controlled environment where security researchers and students can practice penetration testing and ethical hacking techniques. Hope is it clear? I'm just recalling it because maybe some students is not getting it. Okay. So in real world cybersecurity training testings should always be performed in a legal and isolated environment to avoid damaging real system or violating laws. That's why we use VMware and inside this we use Kali Linux or Parrot Linux to just perform a legal and isolated environment. We Kali Linux give us a isolated environments as which is better than Windows, uh, by which we can just practice anything without a fear of damaging our real system. Okay, that's why we use virtual machines. Okay, components of a cybersecurity lab: Linux operating system used for pen testing, Bubshoot. Bubshoot is a tool used for web application security testing. Web browser, we can use any of web browser, either Firefox or Chrome or any other browser. Okay, these are used to interact with web applications. Means, like if you want to just test something, then we have to interact with them using any browser. Okay, like if we are going to just test pen test in any website, then we just have to open it on any browser, and then we can connect with our Bubshoot. Okay, virtual machines used to run Linux safely. Is that clear? Okay, so hope how many guys have set up the Bubshoot professional or anything? If there is an issue, so we are just going to let you know how to set up a Bubshoot. We have shared in the group. Okay, so you guys have completed. How many guys are there? How many students are there who have not just completed your setup in Bubshoot? Okay, that's good in the. Okay, okay, so that is good. Okay, install. You said just copy file in us. That's why we not. Okay, okay. Okay, Aman, no issues. Okay, so I have shared a professional edition in the group. So I'm just going to let you know that how to set up a professional version of shoot in Kali Linux. Okay, so let me start my virtual VMware virtual machine. Okay, I am installing Bubshoot. I have already set up. Okay, yeah, sure. I will just let you know that how to set up. Then we will just get step by step. Okay. Okay, so let it open and then we'll just discuss some another slides. Okay, so introduction to Kali Linux, as we have discussed yesterday already, that Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution, especially designed for pen testing and cybersecurity research. Okay, it is widely used by ethical hackers, security researchers, and penetration testers to identify vulnerability in a system and applications. Kali Linux comes with 100 of pre-installed security tools that help in performing different type of security testing. As you know that there is a pre-installed tools like Bobshoot in Kali, which is JAP. Have you ever guys used JAP? JAP proxy? Have you guys ever used? Guys, have you used JAP proxy in Kali Linux? Okay, so that's good. Yeah, JAP proxy. Okay, okay. So you have just copied it in Linux. Just copy the burp shoot in Linux and just open it. Open the folder and open the files. Here, here are the four files and two folders are there, two zip files are there. So you do not need to do anything. Just right click here and open the terminal here. The simplest way to just configure it. Okay, configure it or open it, because normally if you try that from here you can search burp. So you can, this is a burp which is a community edition. Okay, it's not a professional edition. So if you search there, then you will not get that burp shoot. So just see the list of files. You just need to just open the this jar file. This is burp shoot professional. Okay. So, how can we open a jar file? Students, how can we open a jar file? Like there is a file by name burp loader keygen 117.jar. So, how can we open it? Which command we use to open this? Any idea? Where can I get professional package? Hope if you are in a internship group, then you shall we have shared a professional version of Bubshoot. Okay. So to open it, because it's a jar file, so we will use Java hyphen jar and we will just type the name. Okay. This is the file name exactly you have to use. No any small letters instead of capital letters. You just have to put the same as a file name. You can just copy and just paste here. Okay. Just press enter so it will execute and just open. So you guys are in this window. Version okay. Okay, so Aman, are you in this window? You can, as you have not configured the above shoot, so just come to this window, and here you can just use your name if you have not, if you want to just display your name like license to you person. So you can just use like I'm using Delta, okay, and just run this. Another window will be open there, and let it open. So you just have to copy some activation request, okay. It will take a few moments to just open. Oh, sorry, it's just wait because I have already opened it. Okay. Mhm. Let me copy it again because I have already configured it and it cannot be configured again and again. Okay, so just copy this one and paste here. Open the folder, do the same thing. Just open it. You can just put your name here in the place of hello world. Just run it. Okay, I think no. It's configured once. Okay, okay. So let me show you. Then Jefferson license key. Okay, no issue. I'm just letting you know step by step. Just after this, the a window will be open there. After this, when you just click on this run button, a window will be there in which it's asking for license key. Then in the bottom there is a button manual setup. Can you just see a manual configuration or manual setup button? Just put click on manual setup button. Like I think I don't remember the exact word. I think it's a manual setup or configuration. Just click on it. Here will be a activation request. Copy it. No, no, you don't need to. You don't need to change the route. After this window, you will when you just click on the run button, you will get another window, which is a short window where will be activation request. This is a simple window. I don't know. Okay. Mhm. In the bottom, there will be 3 to 4 buttons. After clicking on run button, so you just have to click on manual activation. In the bottom, there are 3 to 4 buttons. You have to click on manual activation. When you click manual activation, another window will be there in which there will be a request, two option to copy request, and another option will be there and to paste the request. Okay, so sorry, paste the response. You have to copy the request from here and just paste the request in this page, activation request. Here you here in the part of activation request, you have to paste that request. Then there will be a response here. You have to copy the response and then paste it in the same window. Then your what is this? Then your work will be ready. Do you find the manual activation button, guys? Okay, I think what I should, Mr. Robot. It's like he did it once with the help of a manual, and now he don't know. Okay. Okay. So hope after this class we will just meet on Google Meet, and I will show that how it's working. Okay. Just wait. I think you are Mr. Robot. What is your name, Mr. Robot? Okay. So leave it. I will just let you know the manual activation of Upshoot. Okay. In the Google Meet after this class. And you, Mr. Robot, and the students who have some issues, then you can just kindly leave, guys. No need. Okay. I'm not taking money from you guys and not forcing you to do something. If you want something, if you feel like you receive something interesting or useful, then you can stay. Otherwise, no need. Okay. No, Shubham. I will just let you know in Google Meet because it's not possible without screen sharing. I will just schedule a Google Meet after this class. Then you we will let you know. Okay. Okay, so just understand some basic Linux terminal commands. Linux terminal is an important tool used by cybersecurity professionals to interact with the system and execute commands. Okay, Linux terminal, and in the Linux terminal we can use some commands to interact with some systems or execute any exploit, to do any exploit. Okay, basic commands, common commands of Linux, like you can know, you guys know who am I, pwd, ls, ifconfig, clear. Who am I display the current login user. Like if you just put the who am I in the terminal, okay, let just check the all the commands. Oh, sorry. So I am in the Kali, like I am not any root or anything. Okay. Next one is PW, so the current working directory, ls, list file and folders in the current directory, ifconfig to know the IP address of any domain or any target, clear the terminal screen. Okay, so recon is the, as we discussed in the previous session, recon is the first step in pen testing. It refers to the process of gathering information about a target or website before performing security testing. Okay, so there are some type of recon. First one is a passive recon. Second one is active recon. What is passive recon? In short, information is collected without directly interacting with the target. Okay. It's a passive recon, like Google search, public documents, domain information, social media data. Is it clear? Like you do not have to use any like commands or anything. You just have to use like some Google docking, some extension to know the technology about the technology of the website or system. Second one is in active in recon. Information is collected by directly interacting the target system. Like if you use nmap commands or like you scan the ports, scan the networks, you detect the technology like that. Okay, information gathering during recon, domain information we can find, subdomains we can find during recon, technology used by website we can find, publicly available files and documents. This is the theory of recon, and just jump to the practical of recon. First, you will use Google Docking. Like this one is site.example.com, which is the first Google Doc. The definition is clear to everyone. Google Docking is a technique used by security researchers to find publicly available information indexed by search engines. Okay. So first one, Google Doc. Like I have give you assignment with some performs of Google Docs. Site.example.com. So what actually it did? Okay. So just type site.deltawaresolution.com. It will show the exact domain. You don't need to find out anything. It will show the exact what you want to find. If you want to find any website, you will just get the exact, no any other uh, crowd that you need to search. Okay. So this one is the extension. Another one, site example.com file hyphen pdf, file type hyphen pdf. Okay. So just do the same. Site colon deltawaresolution.com, file type column pdf. No any pdf in deltaware solution, no any pdf content to download in this domain. Okay. Okay, I think there is no yes, there is no publicly available pdf format in deltaware. Okay. Login, just try with this site site colon example.com login. Use this one. We are just going to search, let's see this one. This is a website. We are just going to just see is there any admin login or login. Okay. Themoninstitute.in login. So yes, there is a login in the Moon Institute. If you will open this one site, it will open the login page. There is a student login in the Moon Institute website. Okay, so we can just go down and go back and search for this is a site.gov.in file type PDF. If you want to search any file type like any PDF shared by government or publicly available by government, any PDF. If you want to search any PDF which is publicly available posted by government, then we can just find out using this, because every site of government end with extension gov.in. We can easily find out with this. So next Google docking is in URL column admin. I will type in URL admin. So it will show you all possible contents or pages or websites or anything which contains the keyword admin. Like admin login Saurashtra College, admin login Modern High School for Girls, admin login Government College, Palampur, admin login, Hindustan Copper, CGC admin panel, GTU admin panel. Like it's a Google docking by with help of Google docking, you can just anything you want. If you want to admin panel, then you can search admin panel. If you want admin login, if you want how many WordPress websites are there, you can use this. You can get WordPress login. Login WordPress.org, Greek for how to log in into your WordPress admin dashboard. You will get all things related to WP admin. WP stands for WordPress and admin for admin page. Or admin login means it will search out all the possible WP admin pages or admin keywords. Okay. Next one is if you want to search a particular if you want to search a admin panel in a particular website, then how can we search? Okay, so the thing is that you doc is that site colon example.com in URL admin site column this in URL admin. Oh, sorry. Just wait. There is no any result. So Deltaware have no any admin panel because the Deltaware Solution.com it's only a static website. There is no admin panel for Deltaware Solution. So we can just clear it by using this doc. Okay. In URL dashboards, like if you just work as a like if you learn something in development, you will know that admin panel will be named as admin dashboard, login dashboard, admin panel. Okay, so we can just search by keyword dashboard using in URL. In URL WP admin, in URL config, in URL upload, try in URL upload. It will show you the all possible sites where upload option is there. File upload option. Okay. Free upload, PHP file upload, how to create file upload button means up. It will show you all the related keywords. It will search for that keyword. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, I will share this PPT and the group also. Okay. Okay. So before completing slide, we will just share assignment in the after this. Just let you know something important things like how can you test for a website. Okay, before knowing this, you just have to know this one thing. Open any website for passive recon. We have two options, passive recon and active recon. We will use a passive recon. How can we get information about our target using passive recon? Okay, so just come into any website and ensure that you have some extension like sorry, it's the recording. It's this extension show you a global rank or some domain is or hosting company. That's it. The information is showing here. Okay. Vapalizer. This is a vapalizer which will show the all the possible information that it can give. Analytics, Google Analytics, CDN is used. Hosting a CDN is used. Okay. React framework is used to build. Bootstrap used for UI. For hosting, use hosting. Web server, slide speed. All that you can get all the information from there. If you want to export, then you can just download it. The report showdown. You can use showdown for letting know that how many ports are open. Yeah, for any website. I think there will be any issue that it's not. It's a proxy. It's an extension used to just pen test. You can use this, but the better way to use a proxy is manual proxy, like using Firefox proxy setting. Okay, I don't recommend to use proxy. Okay, so these are some extensions that you must have in your browser. Just check it. Okay. Yeah, I will share the PPT and some files also. Okay, so let's see some ports, important ports for security testing. Like if we found that these ports open, then we can test for. Okay, if we found port 80, which is for at HTTP, so it provide a web server service, testing response possibilities. What we can test for? Directory traversal, information disclosure, file upload issues, authentication issues. We can just test for these four issues in if we found port 80 open. Okay, if we found port 443 open, how many ports are there? How many networking ports are there? Students, how many networking ports are there? So this is a SORAN. Okay, so you can like there are two ports open at TN443, and IP of this web server is this. Okay, you can just view IP details. You can just it will show you in detail. Canada, United States, Telephonics, hosting a US, it will show the IP of service provider, hosting provider. Okay, how many networking ports are there? Okay, okay, that's good. How many predefined ports are there? Okay, so HTTPS, if we found 443, then we can just test for secure web server, testing possibilities, web application vulnerability, SSL or TLS misconfiguration, authentication issues. Mean these vulnerability can be found in 443 ports. If this port is open, then we can test for these vulnerabilities. Okay, port 21, which is for FTP, file transfer protocol. Okay, testing possibilities are there: anonymous login, weak credentials, file access issues. We can just test for these issues if we found port 21 open in any website. Okay, port 22 SSH, secure shell. It provides a secure shell service. Testing possibilities. Uh, okay, wait. What is the notification? Okay, is that clear? Okay, no issues. Very good. Okay. Testing possibilities are the brute force attacks, brute force attack, weak credentials, SSH version vulnerabilities. We can test for all these vulnerabilities if we found port 20 open. Okay, port 25, same SMTP, mail server हो गया. Okay, testing possibilities, email relay misconfiguration, user enumeration, and out. Port 3306, it's for MySQL. It provides a service of database. You guys already know that MySQL MySQL is a database. Okay, it provides database services to organizations or to developers. Like it's used for database. Okay, testing possibilities are there. Enterprise database access, weak credentials. We can just test for these two vulnerabilities, and there may be many vulnerabilities. Okay, port 8080 HTTP alternate service, web application server, testing possibilities, admin panels, development servers, test environment, and other things. Last one is port 3389 RDP, desktop. Testing possibilities, brute force login, remote access vulnerabilities. So these are some basic ports we can test for if we found these are open in any website. We can just search or see ports of any open ports of the website using Sodan. Is it clear? Okay. So just jump to. Okay, so this is a PDF for this. This is a document for this that how many important ports for security testing. Okay, and this there is another PDF I have prepared for you. Important terminal commands. I prepared this document with detail like a brief one line explanation and with example. How can you use command? If you don't know how to use command, what are some basic terminal command? You can just see this document and use it. Okay. I have mentioned who am I, that's where the current log user, like how to use the list like ls hyphen la, how to use and how can we use, what are the examples. I have just there are about 50 to 60 commands I have mentioned, like this is a 6 page, 6 or 7 page of video. Okay, so I have mentioned everything. Okay, like RMDIR, what is the purpose, how can we use touch, what is the purpose, how can we use CP, MV, RM, RM hyphen R, cat, nano, head, how can we? Okay, so these are many commands we can use. Oh, so I have prepared this PDF for you guys, so I will just share in the group. Okay, okay, yeah, Malika, I think I have already mentioned that we will conduct a Google Meet after this class, after this session. We will just conduct a Google Meet where I will let you know that you will share your screen and I will let you know how to do. Otherwise, I will again let it go because there are some students who are not interested and just making some comments. Okay, so no issue. Yeah, I will share extension name also. I will share both of the documents so you can just learn about these things. Okay. Yeah, Namika, that's good. Sure, I will share the PDF. Okay. And these are tasks you have to just complete. Assignment for day two. To strengthen your understanding of Linux basic and recon, complete the following tasks before the next session. Okay, if you just practice this, I'm not saying that you don't know about these extension or these tools or these points, but if you just revise, you will not like you. I think you are free to revise these things, so you can easily revise, guys. Okay. So task one is kindness practice. Open the terminal in calendars and practice some important commands. I will share the PDF of commands. Use all possible commands you can use and try with them. Observe the output and understand what each command displays. Okay, like use each command and just discover if we use rm hyphen r, then what will be the output. Okay, if you use mkdir and this command, and if you put just any name, then what will be there? Is there will be any folder? Just you have to just check. Google Recon, practice basic Google docking queries to discover publicly available information. Use queries like I have explained in this PDF, site.example.com, site.gov.in, any URL, hyphen, that's it. Okay, just use to Google docking. Okay, try to understand how search engines index information. You just need to this thing. And the question was from some students like how to submit assignment, where to submit, and all. So this is a note for them. Create a document for the daily assignment that includes all the screenshot and the task related to the assignment in the proper and structured format and submit it on evaluation day. Means you have to complete daily assignments, create a document in Word, attach all the screenshot or any like text in a proper format like assignment day one, date is this, question is task is this, below the task name, file is this. Okay, like you have just prepared a professional way. So it will improve your practice. Means you will practice for a report. How to prepare a report? Like it will just help you well. Okay, so this was day two, and hope you learn something a little bit. I'm not sure. I'm not saying that you learn a lot of things, but hope you learn a little bit. A single line by me, that is a good thing for me. Okay. So thank you. Stay curious and keep learning and keep regularly. Okay. Practice regularly. Okay. I will share the PDF and assignment details in the group. Okay, sure. I will also send the extensions. I will share the important extension, guys. Okay. So thank you. Okay. You are welcome, guys. Okay. So have a good night and bye. Just meet in Google Meet. I will share the Google Meet link in our group. Just connect in the Google Meet, and after ending the live session, just leave your attendance here. Okay. Okay, guys. Just let me end the session. Okay, then you will just write your attendance because if the live will be there, then no live chats will be visible after live class. Okay. So thank you guys and hope you are enjoying something a little bit of this session. Okay.